Training in use of lathe machines. This course can be attended by all engineer officers. Scope of the course is to familiarize trainees regarding capabilities and limitations of lathe machines, associated hazards and safety measures, and most probable works and cases on board that can be done with the use of lathe. This course is further supplemented with extensive workshop preparation and performance in using lathe machines. Learning objectives. Theory at QMS premises for 3 hours. Lathe capabilities and limitations. Possible hazards in working with lathe. Safety measures. Personal protective equipment. Preparation of work area and machine. Cutting tools and grinding machines. Different types of conicity, thread forms, grinders, tool mounting depending on work conducted. On-site workshop practice for 18 hours. Practical exercises on conicity in lathe and rod cutting, tool mounting, cleaning and grinding of flanges, manufacturing of threads using lathe, metric and US system, grinding of valve seats using lathe of various conicities, manufacturing of gears using dividers. Duration of the course, 4 days, 25 hours.